If you're tired of water spots, soap scum, and foggy shower doors, you're in the right place. I tested and reviewed the top 10 best shower squeegees on Amazon to help you keep your bathroom spotless with less effort. Whether you love smart home upgrades or efficient cleaning tools, these picks deliver real results. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. Alflod Stainless Shower Squeegee. The Alflod Stainless Shower Squeegee is a premium cleaning tool designed for people who want durability, style, and performance in one product. Built with rust-resistant stainless steel, this shower squeegee is perfect for glass shower doors, tiles, mirrors, and even windows. I love how solid it feels in hand. It's not flimsy like cheaper plastic options. The rubber blade glides smoothly across wet surfaces, removing water spots and soap residue in one pass. It comes with a sleek wall mount hook, so storage is easy and clutter-free. If you're someone who enjoys modern home accessories and wants a long-lasting bathroom upgrade, this is a great choice. Overall, Alflod delivers professional-level cleaning with a minimalist design that fits perfectly in modern bathrooms. High-wear all-purpose shower squeegee. The high-wear all-purpose shower squeegee is one of the most popular choices on Amazon, and for good reason. It's versatile, affordable, and extremely effective for daily bathroom cleaning. This squeegee works well on glass doors, tiles, mirrors, and even car windows. What I really like is the ergonomic handle, which makes it comfortable to use even during quick daily cleanups. The silicone blade provides streak-free results without scratching delicate surfaces. It also includes a waterproof adhesive hook, making installation super easy without drilling. If you want a reliable, no-fuss shower squeegee that gets the job done and fits almost any lifestyle, Highwear is a solid pick. It's especially great for busy people who want fast, efficient cleaning. GUTAWORK Silicone Shower Squeegee. The GUTAWORK Silicone Shower Squeegee stands out thanks to its flexible, scratch-free silicone design. This makes it ideal for glass shower doors, marble, tiles, and mirrors. I really appreciate the ergonomic grip. It feels natural in the hand and reduces wrist strain. GUTAWORK focuses on premium quality, and you can feel that in the balance and control while using it. It also comes with a minimalist wall hook that blends well with modern bathrooms. If you care about protecting surfaces while maintaining a clean, streak-free look, this silicone shower squeegee is a smart investment. It's stylish, gentle, and highly effective. Dance Moon Silicone Shower Squeegee. The Dance Moon Silicone Shower Squeegee is perfect for anyone who prefers lightweight tools with smart design. Made entirely of soft silicone, it's safe for glass, tiles, mirrors, and even countertops. The one-piece construction means no loose parts and long-term durability. What makes this squeegee unique is its built-in hanging loop, allowing easy storage without extra hooks. It's extremely quiet when in use and leaves no streaks behind. I find it especially useful for small bathrooms or apartments where simple, compact tools matter. If you want an affordable, easy-to-use, and gentle shower squeegee, Dance Moon is a great everyday option that still delivers professional-looking results. AmazorBath Glass Shower Squeegee. The AmazorBath Glass Shower Squeegee is designed specifically for glass surfaces, making it ideal for shower doors and mirrors. It features a durable handle with a non-slip grip, which helps maintain control even when wet. The rubber blade is firm yet flexible, allowing it to remove water droplets and soap scum quickly. I also like how lightweight it feels. It's easy to use daily without effort. If your main goal is keeping glass shower doors crystal clear with minimal work, AmazorBath is a strong contender. It's practical, affordable, and highly effective for daily bathroom maintenance. MR.SIGA Silicone Shower Squeegee. The MR.SIGA Silicone Shower Squeegee is a great mix of comfort and performance. It features a soft silicone blade that's safe for all surfaces, including glass, tiles, and mirrors. The ergonomic handle offers excellent grip and control. What I like most is how quiet and smooth it feels during use. There's no squeaking, and it leaves a streak-free finish every time. MR.SIGA is known for reliable household tools, and this squeegee lives up to that reputation. If you want a reliable, family-friendly shower squeegee that's easy to use and easy to store, this one is a great addition to your cleaning routine. Quntis Shower Door Squeegee. The Quntis Shower Door Squeegee is built for people who want a modern look and strong performance. It features a comfortable grip and a wide blade that covers more surface area, reducing cleaning cleaning time. This squeegee works especially well on large glass shower doors and mirrors. The blade applies even pressure, removing water and preventing hard water stains. It also includes a sturdy hook for easy hanging. If efficiency matters to you and you want a sleek bathroom accessory that looks good and performs well, Quntis is a solid choice for everyday use. ecooe Silicone Shower Squeegee. The ecooe Silicone Shower Squeegee is all about simplicity and surface protection. Its soft silicone blade prevents scratches while delivering streak-free results. The handle is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it great for daily use. I like how flexible the blade is. It adapts to curved or uneven surfaces. It also includes a hanging strap for quick storage. This squeegee is ideal for people who prefer gentle cleaning tools that still perform well. If you're looking for a quiet, safe, and effective shower squeegee, ecooe is a great option for modern homes. OXO Good Grips Shower Squeegee. The OXO Good Grips Shower Squeegee is a trusted name in home tools, and this product doesn't disappoint. It features OXO's signature non-slip handle, providing excellent comfort and control. The flexible blade removes water efficiently without streaks, making it ideal for glass shower doors and mirrors. I also like the rotating hook, which allows flexible storage options. If you want a well-known brand with proven quality and ergonomic design, OXO Good Grips is a reliable choice that fits almost any bathroom setup. iDesign Bath Shower Squeegee. The iDesign Bath Shower Squeegee is a simple, budget-friendly option that gets the job done. It features a lightweight plastic handle and a flexible rubber blade suitable for glass and tiles. This squeegee is easy to use and easy to store thanks to its built-in hanging hook. While it doesn't have premium materials, it performs well for everyday cleaning. If you're looking for an affordable and practical shower squeegee for basic bathroom maintenance, iDesign is a great entry-level choice. That's my list of the top 10 best shower squeegees on Amazon. If this video helped you, please like, comment your favorite, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Don't forget to check the product links in the description below.